Who is a software engineer or who is a software developer? So, software developer and a software engineer are not the same. No, these are different role titles and job titles or job description. JDs. The earlier you start knowing the category you fall into, the better for you, which defines your growth and sets you at the right path to grow very well. Yes. My name still remains E.B. Anderson Andrew. I'm always here to tell you the truth about what I feel and my opinions. So everything I say on my video is basically on my opinion, what I feel, and I believe everyone is entitled and free to say what they think of their opinion. So it's left for you to accept this or not accept it, but I'm gonna say it. Now, software developers and software engineers are not the same. So people should stop misleading themselves and stop misleading recruiters. You see a lot of people that are not even the level of software engineers and they put up to their portfolio that they are software engineers. And when you get to interview them, you find out that these guys are just basically software developers. They haven't gotten to the level of a software engineer. Yeah, that is very much true. And to be honest with you, there is no need for these titles. Just focus on yourself and build yourself. Now, what is the difference between these two categories of job description or title? Now, a software developer and a software engineer are people that write softwares. They oversee softwares from starting from designing phase, testing, documentation, and every other stuff. Yeah, software developers also do documentation. Software engineers also do documentation, do testing, do designing of the softwares and every other stuff from beginning to end. Now, what is the key difference between these both guys? This is the part you have to know which category you fall into, because basically both of them do the same thing. But for a software engineer now have a higher responsibility than a software developer, which is very true and which I believe that is true. Yeah. So let's proceed into that. Now you see that our software engineer have higher responsibility, which are architecture, right? Software engineers tend to understand the architecture of the system they are building on. Why developers does not? Developers only just write code and let it work and they have a product. That is what they are focused on. Why some engineers, software engineers, focus on the scalability, the architecture, how performant this application might be, or maybe what is the unforeseen occurrence that might happen, like the edge cases that might happen when such thing is implemented or not. So these are the responsibilities that our software engineers go through and attempt to understand. You know, the way a software developer writes his code isn't going to be the same way a software engineer is going to write code. There is two different things there. The way a software engineer thinks is quite different from the way a software developer thinks, right? Software developer is just bent on getting the solution done. Now, while the software engineers are more focused on performance, scalability, architecture, system designs, and what again, system-specific platform design. Also, systems are compatibility. So, and the architecture system of what they are building and what they are building on top. Now, you see that the code of a software engineer is more performant. They tend to focus more on performance optimization. They might say, okay, how many milliseconds does it take this function to run, or how many seconds? If this function is running close to a second or 5 seconds, I think it's not a good thing for this particular system. It's not a good thing for this thing you are trying to solve. Is it slow? They tend to do some benchmarking systems that can help them benchmark their application, or use any benchmarking tool that can help them benchmark their application, their code, and optimize their code for higher performance and scalability. Then this is all what software engineers do, and this is very more higher role and higher responsibilities, right? That's very good. So anytime you see yourself doing things like this, thinking towards optimization, performance, scalability, architecture, system designs and all those stuff, then know that you are now entitled to embrace the title, say software engineer. But if you haven't, and all you just do is just to get the solution done, you don't care how it works, you don't really care what happened behind the scene, then just stick to being a software developer. Stop confusing recruiters and know where you are so that you can grow very fast. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like videos like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for you to get more videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.